Hello NID aspirants. If you are here watching this video, that means you are somebody who's extremely serious about cracking NID 2024 examination. So let's get started. As I told you that we are coming up with a goal-oriented program, or we can call it as a strategy program for the students who are already preparing for NID 2024 examination, both BDES and MDES students. We are here to give you a final brush up in terms of what is going to come in the examination, discussing assignments, past year question papers, and setting a goal for you. So what this particular program consists, I will be discussing about the content today. So first of all of us know that NID examination pattern is very unexpected. They always say you need to expect the unexpected. So let's get started. Let's see how the examination pattern had evolved throughout the years, how it is keeping in with the trend of the present design industry. So all of this, we have summarized the program into few important topics. Okay, these are very broad topic, and I'm going to give you a little overview about these things. It would start with the course introduction. Okay, so the course introduction would be about how to go about with the last minute preparation. And yes, I'm talking about both part B as well as the part A, which is the GAT. I will be giving you inputs about the GAT as well. It will be more like an overview, and the part B will be discussed fully in these particular courses. So we start with, after the introduction to the course, of course you must have heard a lot about the course introduction, you must have gone through the prospectus, past year question papers, but there are few things that you need to know. Those are the important points that we have collected over the years after interacting with the faculties at NID, after interacting with the toppers of NID. So what is their take on these particular subjects? So we will be introducing those minute tips and tricks during the introduction. Next, we have abstract design and color rendering. What this abstract design and color rendering is all about? It is the first step to starting your preparation, and we will be brushing up your knowledge in terms of abstract design and color rendering. Of course, a lot would depend upon your own interpretation. Every student has a very different approach, and we always welcome that. You need to have your individuality, but there are certain nitty-gritties that we need to keep in mind. We will also discuss how this abstract design and color rendering is relevant in terms of your real-time design scenario, right? So we will be going through a lot of visuals. We will be trying to discuss the intangible aspects of certain emotions, certain words. For example, if I say leaf, so you know what a leaf would look like. If I say lotus leaf, then you would definitely know, you can definitely visualize what a lotus leaf would look like. But if I tell you that visually represent the taste of your favorite food, then what comes to your mind? Say for example, your favorite food is paratha. Okay, so is it the visual of the food that is coming to your mind? Or if you have to express it in a very non-verbal way, in terms of colors, in terms of line, in terms of abstracting it, then how you gonna represent it? So here comes that intangible aspect. That is your feeling, what you feel when you eat it, how do you react to it in terms of visuals. So all of those things will come together and be part of your abstract design and color rendering. Colors are important. Colors help us in communicating. So here there are a few examples, and In this particular topic, we will be explaining that how we can interpret one particular visual into different emotions, into different words. Like for you, it can be a butterfly. For someone else, it could be a face. If someone watching it from very near, right, from not from a distance but from near, for them it could be a gust of wind, it could be leaves, flowing in the wind. So it can be anything, depends how you are going to look at it and depends how you are going to interpret it. So there are a lot of factors that really decide your interpretation. We are going to discuss about all that in the videos. Here again we have few lines in front of us. Do they look relevant? Somebody might say, oh, these are just scribbling. Someone might say, oh, these are masterpiece. So how do we react to certain lines, or why certain lines have been drawn, or what are the hidden meaning behind these particular lines? So continuing, again I am showing you certain visuals over here. So my whole point is that in the course we will be taking up each and every topic and discussing every aspect of the topic, giving you certain goals, giving you certain criteria of how to work, how to interpret, so that you can get the maximum benefit in a small amount of time. Because remember, time management is a very important part. And right now, when the NID examination is nearing, we hardly have a month to go. I'm sure all of you are really practicing hard and you are looking for a little bit of guidance, right? All of you who are working hard towards achieving your goal, do not worry. We are there to have your back, guide you, give you goals, assist you. And for that, if you want to unlock this whole course curriculum, you have to download our app. Once you download our app, you will be getting an access to the whole course curriculum. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see what do we have next.